Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a full stack resume and CV PDF editor directly in browser. So if you're looking forward for creating a job resume or CV, so this is an all-in-one full stack editor built in Next.js and Node.js. So we are you running it on localhost 3000. So the interface looks something like this. So it's already having this resume. You can edit this by clicking the pencil icon. It has all the features. If you want to export this to a PDF file, you click the download button. So it will export this to a actual resume, which contains multiple pages, 6 pages. So you can actually edit all these details such as the profile picture, name of the person, email address, website, phone number, everything you can customize it by just clicking the pencil icon to activate the edit mode. So now you can actually edit all these details by your own details. You can change the photograph, everything, you can replace it very easily. So this will save you a lot of time. You can change the location, phone number, like this. Just need to highlight the portion that you want to change. And so this is your about section. You can customize it, replace it with your own details. So this project I actually coded directly from scratch in Node.js and Next.js. So it's a all-in-one full stack application. All the components I written it from scratch. So this is actually the full directory structure of the project here. So each component is customizable. So it's coded directly inside TypeScript. So once you get the source code, the link is given. You can directly purchase the source code. So once you purchase it, automatically the source code will be downloaded from Google Drive. So it's easy for you to customize everything. So I coded this from scratch. So it's a full stack application. So if I show you the package.json file, we are actually using Node as well. And we are also using Next.js, the latest version of Next.js. So this is the actual app here inside. So right here. So this is the actual front end of the application. So if you see, we are using Daisy UI for the user interface, HTML to canvas, HTML to image. So these are the two libraries that we are using for actually exporting the resume to PDF. And as you can see, we are using React latest version 19 and Next. So we are simply running this locally, as you can see, npm run web dev. So it's easy for you to deploy this application as well. So everything is customizable. You just need to highlight the edit mode, click the pencil icon, change the details, everything. So if you drag down, so just need to click it using your mouse and then it's fully customizable. You can also go to a particular section right here. This is the project section. You can add your, just edit these details by changing the title of the project, the URL, description, the technologies which are used. You can also click the remove button. If you don't want this, you click the remove button, that project will be removed. You can add your own project by clicking this button. So just providing a title, link, description, everything. So it's fully customizable. Same goes with the categories as well, these contributions. And then you can click the print button as well to directly print the resume by clicking the print button. You can even export this to a SVG file as well by clicking the export SVG button. So these are languages section. You can add more languages as well. So we are using Radix UI as well. So can easily build out the project as well. So once you're happy, npm run build. So this will build out the project. So essentially this is, once you make the changes, you can switch to view mode. So it will look something like this after you make the changes. So again, you want to make changes, you click the pencil icon. So this will change to edit mode. So directly you can edit the details and make your own resume. And after that, save this. So it will look something like this. You can also export this as PNG, JPG, SVG, everything. You can even download the CV as PDF as well. So it's an all-in-one full stack Canva clone, PDF resume and CV builder editor. So it also looks compatible on all the devices, mobile, desktop, tablets. So it's fully customizable as well. So if you're looking forward for building that editor, so it will save you a lot of time as well. You don't need to build it from scratch. Instead, you can purchase the source code and add additional features as well on top of this project. So each section, as you can see, it's customizable. So once it exported, it will download this PDF file, and you can build out a professional looking resume and CV in a matter of minutes by using this application. So here you replace your LinkedIn URL, profile picture, name, address, email address, location, everything.